So we are actually right now doing our hair and makeup. I'm in the middle of doing makeup, curling my hair. Sin is curling her hair, tweezing her brows. We're just getting ready because we have a lot, like a little glam friend's birthday. Not birthday, I was going to say birthday. Like a best friend shoot, and we have these gorgeous robes as Sin was showing you earlier, and we're going to be shooting in those. So we're doing our hair all glam. We're about to like really look glam. We have a short window of time to do everything, so I'm going to be in and out, but you're going to see everything in a bit. So. Could be a dream, plans would come true. My whole life loving you, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so fine. Oh, life in a ding-dong. If I could take you up in boom, 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 tell me I'm the only one that you love. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Oh, life could be a dream. In a ding-dong, plans would come true. In a ding-dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream. In a ding-dong, plans would come true. In a ding-dong, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Real makeup and hair. Our food is here. That's why I have concealer. So we're going down to get our food. I always get excited for food. Like, let's go. Let's go and get our food. I can't wait. We're gonna look so good, right, Sin?
Yes.
So good. Wait, we need our key to get back in. Food. It feels like we're getting you can have it as well. It feels like it's our wedding or something, and we're like, it feels like it's our wedding and we're getting dressed for a wedding or something, doesn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so here we got the same thing, except no, we got the same exact thing here.
Oh, did we?
Yeah, here's yours.
Thank you.
And here's mine. Snooze AM. It's like a really nice restaurant in Houston. It's mainly for breakfast only. Oh, that's hash browns. Well, what's this?
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Cheese?
It could be. But yeah, we're just going to eat and finish off our makeup. It's done. I'm about to do Sin's makeup. Sin is about to look so glamorous. She doesn't even know it. So my hair isn't done. I'm going to do my hair after, but it's like kind of like half done. Like, we're enjoying the vibes. We just had some breakfast as well. So about to give Sin... Are you doing it before and after? About to be a doll! She's already got, like, her foundation is amazing, you guys. Show me your foundation.
Oh, yeah.
It's by Rihanna.
Rihanna.
Fenty Beauty. Love it. It's like really good.
185.
Perfect. Let's go. Doing Sin's makeup. We're just like doing eyeshadow and then we're like blending it out.
And I can't wait until I can finally like brush out these curls because
I know,
I just let
it's
them
like,
sit.
yeah, like I hate the process when it's just sitting there.
It's just sitting and it's like, oh, I look like I don't know what I'm doing.
I know, right? Because you're like, you want to fluff it out. I'm like that as well. I just want to like fluff it out and just let it be.
Wait, so are the other girls bringing like ugly sweaters too?
Yeah. Sin's makeup. Do you want to see how she looks like? Dun dun dun! 1, 2, 3. Yes, she looks
so like sexy.
Oh yes, ready for the shoot. You have to get your earrings in as well. We're ready to go, so we need to hurry up and I need to do my hair.
Yes.
She like looks really good.
Thanks.
Like show them more detail of your eye.
Yes.
Oh yes, I love it. I don't want to do too much.
Purple?
The purple. Oh yeah, under your eye. Yeah, they didn't see that.
Literally
Yeah,
going with this purple.
I love it.
Beautiful.
And here's our outfits. Our bed is messy. We get it. It's just an aesthetic though. I love it. It's like part of it. Sin's helping me do my hair.
Yes, I am.
We help each other over here. So today I have to whisper because we're doing a photo shoot at like 1 AM. Sin, come. come over. Come. We're doing a photo shoot at 1 a.m. and everywhere's quiet in the hotel. We're all like decked out, like glam. Your earrings. Oh my god, we always so yeah, we need to go. So yeah, so yeah, grab your coffee, grab your tea dolls, and let's go do this photo shoot. Come with us. The bridal suite, taking pictures of our robes. I can't whisper because it's so late in the hotel, so we are just taking pictures. Sin is in her robe. I got her some custom made robes, so she's taking pictures over there, and I'm about to take pictures as well. Don't know if you can see, but this is how my makeup turned out. And there's the back of the robe. Feel like a princess. So cute. I love it, dolls. So we're gonna take some pictures together. This is such a weird video.
Je vois la viande, mettez des mots de route, les mots dont tu les jettes, et sans ne faire que de cacher.
Just finished shooting. I love this chick. Somebody, thank God, like someone was literally, we almost, because we're here at 2 a.m. doing a shoot in this lonely hotel, and we had to run because someone literally was out there.
Yeah, we heard them. We're like,
we don't know who it is, or we're like dressed all like this, like coming out like. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna end this vlog now. Thank you so much for watching, dolls. Merry Bye, dolls. Love you. Thank you so much for watching, dolls. I have to whisper. I'm in the room and I love this bodysuit. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, dolls. Merry Christmas. Thank you for watching all my Vlogmas videos. I know I have to whisper because you're interrupting my vlog. I'm doing the outro. So yeah, I know everything was all over the place. It was very hard to vlog in here. It was very hard to vlog in here, but I enjoyed it. I love it. I'm ready to go. We're gonna clean up the room. I check out tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching. It was so hard to vlog. There was so many weddings they had this weekend. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a Merry Christmas. I'll be back soon. Thank you so much for watching. I love you dolls so much. Merry Christmas. Where's the little Christmas hat? I don't know. Bye, dolls. Love you.
Life could be a dream, and I think I'm plans would come true. And I think I'm my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we meet again. Oh, life, and I think I'm 𝓼𝓮𝔁𝓮𝓮. And I think I'm 𝓼𝓮𝓁𝓮𝓮. Oh, life, and I think I'm. If I could take you up in boom, boom, go, shaboom, boom, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again, shaboom, and hoping we'll meet again. Oh, life could be a dream, and I think I'm plans would come true. And I think I'm my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so far